organization, which limits your ability to understand what's coming, to see around corners, limits your ability to execute change in real time, there's a real risk that those organizations will get left behind, because that acceleration gap that I touched on earlier will only continue to accelerate as AI and ML get more and more embedded into our work practices. The advantage for our Workday customers is that AI and ML is already embedded into everything we do. They're not fancy products or whimsical features. They're fully integrated into the entire Workday system. We refer to this as the intelligent digital backbone. From the very, very beginning, Workday was architected for this new world, which has enabled us to shed the technology constraints of the past, enables us to adopt these new business innovations that help us transform business. We've already embedded AI and ML into the very core of our platform, which enables our applications to natively leverage both of these as part of the core system. So why does this matter? Because we can rapidly deliver and sustain new machine learning infused capabilities into our applications as they occur. And ML machine learning gets better the more you use it. We understand that. And we have millions of users today on dozens of applications all running on the same platform, which enables Workday to improve at a much faster rate. Another differentiator is the amount of data that we have and that we continue to take care of. The sheer quantity of customers on the Workday system is enormous. There are over 60 million users on the Workday platform today, generating in excess of 600 billion transactions a year. But quantity, we know, means nothing without quality. And Dave will talk about hallucinations and the impact of generative AI when you don't have that data quality. So we use a very comprehensive single data model to maintain clean and coherent data. We also enable you to bring in third-party data through Workday Prism Analytics, which merges with the Workday dataset to create unique models that no one else can deliver to you. And that's why I'm confident our approach delivers true business capability, which will enable our customers to separate those that genuinely accelerate and thrive from those that continue to struggle. The embedded intelligence that comes naturally from Workday makes us fundamentally different in the way that we enable our customers. There are today over 2,000 organizations already using Workday AI and ML and sharing the data that enables them to truly differentiate their employee experiences, delivering operational efficiencies, and providing the insights for a far faster rate that gives them the ability to make data-driven decision-making. Workday was one of the first applications to be in the enterprise sector to be genuinely true cloud. And I'm very proud to say we're one of the very first organizations to be genuinely infused with AI and machine learning. We proved that the cloud could be trusted and secure and deliver immense business value. And now we're going to do exactly the same, and are doing exactly the same, with AI and machine learning. So let's talk about an example. Right now, more than half of our HCM customers are using Workday Skills Cloud, which is a prime example of AI and ML in action. The reason for this is because our customers are moving to a skills-based strategy, solving the challenge of developing new skills as workforce changes and workforce challenges occur. Because jobs are changing. Even now, if people changing jobs are slowed down, the structure of jobs are changing. And companies need the combination of future skills in place in order to respond. Because make no mistake, future skills are the new currency of work. They'll fuel career growth. They're a bedrock for a better employee experience. and enable you to leverage the dynamics of the market to drive competitive advantage. It gives employees and employees a better understanding of work and what it takes to succeed. And if you're using manual systems, for example, an Excel spreadsheet, to understand the skills you have in your organization, that's a challenge. You need machine learning and AI to understand the skill development required in your organization at the scale and pace that business today demands. And this is why Workday built Skills Cloud, a universal way of understanding what makes up a skill and the relationship between different skills. Just as an example, someone highly skilled in Excel is likely to have data analytics and reporting skills as well. But you wouldn't know this in a typical database word search of skills. You have to rely on keyword mapping to find the right person. The technology should understand how you relate skills to one another and how those skills evolve over time. And what AI and ML does within Skills Cloud is exactly that. It helps you understand the skills in your workplace. It helps you identify where the skill gaps exist because it relates the skills data. It finds what skills people have by sifting through all of the data you have on them, their resume, past experiences, job description, courses they've undertaken, projects they've worked on. And when you understand, you truly understand the skills you have, you can tap in to make quick business changes by deploying the right skills to the right projects to address your immediate needs. And you can create or tap into new talent pools like contingent workers, or things more and more like returning workers or caregivers to the workforce who've taken time out. What we find our customers that are leveraging Skills Cloud is they have a much more agile business and, importantly, a more diverse workforce, which is what drives a diverse skill set.